Hello dear friends, today 15 April 2025, my name is Sergey Khodachenko. We finished new order from Netherlands. This is 3 panel control with electronics and 3 working heads, 15 kg per hour each. This is working head, no smoke, and this client give order with separate terminal control. Look, I think this tornado put inside box, and 3 colors and control with separate panel. Make manufacturing 1 color cotton candy, after stop, after switch on second tornado, make second color, and third color also make when he stopped tornado before. Like how this works. We switch on this. Look, working ventilator for cooling. After, this is motor. Look, this motor working, turn, working head turn. After, we regulation this. Look. Look. More temperature, this working head, and less. Ordinary, this is same. Ordinary, we have panel control like this. Like this. We have this adjustment control temperature, semester, never broken. Also we have this contactor, what your bottom, no broken, we have contactor. This possible broken if example pound from sugar put inside, after maybe no good working, but this is not expensive, change when you want and buy in your country. Okay, see you again. If you have some questions, write to my WhatsApp under this video. And also if you want prices, also write me. And don't forget, we have TYPHOON. This is mini. Look, this is max. Look. Sugar here, put this. Okay, see you again. Never give up. Bye bye.